Okay, so after doing the boil test, we had a little short problem with the video, so I'm going to have to do a part 1, part 2. This would be part 2. We were doing the test with the super gas treatment versus the heat, and the heat started to bloom at 229. It started to boil at 6:30, and the 1.5 ounces ran for 8 minutes and 4 seconds. Now, remind you, I cooled this stuff off out in the snow, so that when I brought it back in, the stove wasn't already pre-prepped, with a little bit of heat to it, so it would bloom, like as if it was just a freshly fired up stove. So, super gas treatment, $1 at the Dollar Tree, 11 ounces, under 10 cents an ounce. It started to bloom at 2:04. The heat bloomed at 229. Super gas treatment started to boil at right around 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And the heat started to boil at 6 minutes and 30 seconds. The heat ran for 8 minutes and 4 seconds. And the super gas treatment that cost me $1 ran for 7 minutes and 48 seconds. So it started to bloom a little faster, it started to boil faster, it didn't quite last as long. So this, for $1, burns faster but hotter than the heat. So that's that. That's my stove. That's my Foster pot. That's my stove I had made out of a water bottle. I'm going to make another one today, probably. Maybe. We'll see. Went to the Goodwill yesterday, through all the snow, and I got me another water bottle. It's a stainless water bottle. I've got a line here, a line here. That's where I cut these off at. Flip this upside down and stick it inside of the other can. Right back inside of itself, it presses itself in, and you get this kind of look to it in the inside. And where it's pressed itself, I just taken a file and some sandpaper along the edges. And I've noticed that when I heat, when I have my pot on here, some flames, you'll see there's a little bit of cracks right here where I didn't weld them, I just pushed them together. So the flames come up through here once in a great while, which doesn't matter. It heats the pot up faster. But I did notice that when it's cooking like this, and the blossoms are just coming out here at the bottom and hitting my can, I can pick my can up and move it off to the side, and I've made a cozy for it that I can set it right down into its own little cozy. But yeah, I tried picking it up. I noticed the flames were coming out off the top here, and they were shooting up clear to the side. And when I went to pick it up to take it off, I had burnt my fingers pretty good. So I got this rag now. Got this green rag. I got it at the Dollar Tree as well when I bought the fuel. But it makes a nice little pot holder. You just pick it up, pour your water, or if you want to wrap it around, pour your water. It's going to double up as a wash rag, whatever. It's nice to have a little rag with you while you're out there. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the jet boil versus the freezing snow that we have outside here. Thanks for watching.